Zo, beste vrienden. Here you see the solution to the exercises of last week. So, the first one was the rays of the sun strike the earth at an angle, and this angle is called the angle of the sun. So, if Joost is 1.65 meters tall when he stands in the sun, his shadow is 2.2 meters long. Calculate the angle of the sun. Your answer should be correct to 1. So, we have these two measurements, and we're going to calculate the angle of the sun. And to calculate the angle of the sun, it's the angle towards the ground. So we're looking for this angle for C. So we're going to use the tangent C over B, and then you get to this angle. The next exercise, at a different time, or the same exercise, but the B part, at a different time of day, the angle of the sun is 28 degrees. Then the shadow cast by the Euromast is 348 meters long. Calculate the height of the Euromast. Your answer should be correct to 1 centimeter. Well, same thing here. We know the angle of the sun, which is the angle that the rays form with the ground. We know the length of the shadow, and we're looking for the original height. So, again, I'm going to use the tangent of C to calculate, and you get to 185 meters. Exercise 17. In exercise 17, we talked about the rise height and the tread depth of a stair. Now, the question is calculate the slope. And the slope, as I already mentioned, is the angle that is formed with the ground. So this is the slope, or you could also indicate it over here. This is the slope as well. Yes, it is this angle. So we're going to do that, and you notice that it's going to be the tangent again, because we have the rise height, we have the tread depth, and we're looking for this angle B. 36 degrees, 52 minutes, and 12 seconds. Final exercise. Exercise 18. Martin wants to calculate the width. Width is breedte, the width of a canal. He positioned himself directly opposite tree B. So he's over here, and there is a tree. From a point A, he goes 20 meters to the right. He goes 20 meters to the right into point C. And there he measures and finds that C is 65 degrees. Now, here he has an option to calculate the width by using, of course, again, the tangent, opposite and adjacent. So 42.89. Correct these exercises. Make sure that they appear in your syllabus. And then I'm going to give you a few tips for the task of today. For the task of today, we're going to make some more exercises. A few more days we're going to make these exercises, and then we're going to start with a new chapter. So, here we are. In exercise 19, we talk about an isosceles triangle with rising sides of 34. Well, try to solve it like this. Make sure that you understand that this is an isosceles triangle with rising sides of 34 and an apex angle. This is the apex angle, which is 36 degrees. But the apex angle, you have to keep in mind that if you are going to draw a height, this height is not only perpendicular bisector of de base, middellijn van de basis. Het is also angle bisector. Het verdeelt hier die bovenste hoek ook in 2 stukjes van 18 graden. Well then, it is no problem to calculate the area, because we know that the area is base times height divided by 2. Yeah. Exercise 20, you're going to prepare as well. A pool is 25 meters long. So this is the pool. And the bottom of the pool has a slight slope. The bottom of the pool has a slight slope. De bodem loopt een beetje af naar beneden, kan je zeggen. Now, the question is, determine the difference in depth between the two sides. The difference in depth. Dus eigenlijk hier dit rode stukje dat zoek ik eigenlijk. Ja? I know that this is 25. I know that the slope is 10. And I'm looking for this. So, normally with this explanation, no troubles, no problems to make exercise 19 and 20. Okay, and tomorrow in class we'll do exercise 21 and so on. Make sure that you try these exercises and do not forget to upload it. Thank you very much.